In this video, we'll see how you and your students can travel the world with Google Earth. From any other Google tool, you can click the dots icon and Earth is listed here, likely under More. When Google Earth first opens, you see a 3D image of the entire world. You can click and drag to spin the globe and zoom in with the plus icon or with your mouse scroll wheel. You can drag your mouse to slide the view left or right, or up or down. Google Earth works with touchscreens and smartboards as well. As you zoom in, names and borders appear, as well as physical features. You can click a place name to get a pop-up with information. If you click here, you'll fly closer to the place, and clicking in this pop-up window opens a web page with further information, such as population, area, and attractions. I'll click the back arrow to get back to Google Earth. On the left side, clicking the magnifying glass opens the search field. You can enter all sorts of search terms here, such as city or country name, famous landmarks, names of rivers, or even postal codes or location coordinates if you have them. If I want to travel to Tokyo, Japan, I can enter that here. I can zoom in closely and rotate the view by pressing and holding my scroll wheel. In this view, I can see buildings, mountains, parks, and other physical features. If I want to see this shrine up close, I can use Street View. I'll click and drag this person icon, dropping it right here on this blue dot. Keep in mind that Street View isn't available everywhere and only works when you can see blue lines or curves or dots. Once I've arrived, I can click and drag my mouse to have a look around. I can go back to my bird's eye view by clicking the person icon again. If you use Street View on a blue line, you'll get arrows you can use to continue walking along that line or even make turns. Another Earth feature is Voyager. For example, if I want to explore outdoor swimming spots, I'll start here in Samoa and click the next arrow to see the next spot in Slovenia. The Education tab has dozens of options for students, such as this tour of the Vikings shipping routes. These voyages come with text, images, and video. If you want to assign students a randomly chosen spot on Earth to explore and study, have them click the dice icon. This can be great for assigning geography projects or for class games in which a student has to research a spot and give clues to have other students guess the location. If you want to save a spot you can visit again later, click the bookmark icon in the information pop-up. This location appears under Bookmarks on the left, and you can save it. Now, wherever you happen to be on Earth, you can open your bookmarks and double-click the spot you want to return to. To share this location, click the Share icon. Click Get Link and copy it. Anyone with this link can paste it in a browser tab to go to the same spot. Google Earth is also great for viewing terrain. If I fly to Mount Everest, I can zoom and orbit around to clearly see the range of mountains. I can go back to 2D view to return to a bird's eye view. And even though there are no streets here, I can still use my person icon to have a look around. Google Earth is also available in a downloadable version. To find this, navigate to earth.google.com. The launch button starts the web version, and the desktop version is available here. If you're able to install the desktop version, you'll have access to additional features not included in the web version. These include layers in which you can turn on and off place names, 3D buildings, and more, as well as ocean and space views. Another great world exploring app is Google Expeditions. This app can be found in the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and can be installed on devices such as phones and tablets. though not on desktops or laptops. Teachers lead the expeditions, and students follow along on their devices, in virtual reality or augmented reality. Students can take hundreds of tours, from volcanoes and hurricanes, to organs of the body, to a strand of DNA.